Okay guys, so today what we are going to see is that how you can install any kind of APK, Android APK to any of your VR devices, whether it be MetaQuest 3, 2, Quest 3S, Vive XR, like Vive devices or anything, Pico or whatever. Whatever supports Android APKs, you will be able to install your APK right away and super fast. You do not need any kind of additional softwares to download on your headset or on your PC, and you can just do it very quickly and just like a pro coder. Let's get started then. Okay, so the first thing which you need is to download the SDK platform tool for Windows, and for that we need to go to this link. All the links would be in the description just like always. So we will go to this, we will download the SDK platform tools for Windows, scroll down, accept and download. So this would download the zip. We have to extract it in our program files. You go to that. Okay, we'll just extract all here. Let's extract this. Now we will cut. We'll go to our program files and let's paste it here. Continue, admin permissions. That is done. We add our platform tools folder to our system variables, the environment variables. So you just search for environment env, you go to the environment variables, then be careful, you do not have to edit in the user variables, you have to edit it in system variables. So scroll down in system variables, find path, click on this, click on edit. Now click on browse. Okay, and then go to your folder where you installed. So we had it in program files. We'll go down like this, and here it is, and this, choose the inside folder, select this and press OK. So here is our the path, we have added it. Click OK to every dialog box, and now just open the terminal and just type ADB, and there you go, you have all of this. Okay, and for the final step we need to download the Oculus ADB drivers. So we need to go to this another website here, paste the link, click this download button, accept and download. Another dry zip file we have, go there, just extract all. Okay, open the folder, go inside the folder, USB driver, and select this, right click and click on this install button right here, install and open. Yes, expression completed successfully. That is done, and that is all. That's all we need to do. Now to install your build to your device, what you have to do is just go to your builds folder, select your build, copy the path of the build from here, or you can click on this file, then press shift and right click, then you get this option, copy it as path, click that. Now open the terminal, and inside the terminal you need to let's first check what devices are connected. So the command for this is ADB devices, and you can see right now, let's allow it for the first time. Once when you run it, it will do that, and list of devices and empty. Right now no devices is connected, no device is connected. So now let me connect my MetaQuest 3 and we will see what it shows. And also I have my device connected, and once I do ADB devices, you will see a serial ID of my device here. And now to install the file, I would just write ADB install and paste the path of this file, and it will press enter, performing stringed install, and once it is installed, it would just print success. Okay, so one more thing which you might have to do is where, like, once you have your headset on, and connected, you would have to enable, basically you would have to allow USB debugging inside your headset for the first time once you set this thing up. So just that thing which you might have to do. That's all. See you in the next one.